Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the processing of group policy failed because of a lack of network connectivity to a domain controller. Error that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. It may also apply for Windows Server editions as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in local security. Best match, you'll come back with local security policy. Go ahead and left click on that. Now on the left side, you want to double click on local policies and then select the user right assignment folder. On the right side, locate near the top where it says access this computer from network. Go ahead and double click on that. And now you want to select where it says add user or group. Now, if you had the specific username, I would recommend typing that in for the user account on the other devices. But in our particular example here, I'm just going to type in everyone. Again, if you have the specific network name, I'd recommend typing that in. Otherwise, if you just don't know or just want to try it out, you can select everyone. Just keep in mind, you might not necessarily want to keep that there permanently. And then I'm going to go ahead and select OK. Now I'm going to select OK again, close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.